Hey, what's up? It's Philip, and today I'll show you how to fade in and fade out text or title in an OpenShot video editor. To do that, under the project files, go over here, title, click title, and choose, for example, this camera border. Title, click save, and you will have the title. Now drag and drop the title to your video. If I go to video preview, you can see the title over here. And now to add the effects, you need to go to transitions. If you don't see the transitions like I can see them, go to view, docs, and click transitions. And now we have transitions. Now all you need to do is to drag and drop the fade in effect over here like this. Reduce it a bit, move it to the beginning, and let's check it out. Okay, we have a nice fade in effect. Now just increase the duration like this, and we have a nice slow fade in effect. To add a fade out effect, I will stretch this a bit. All you need to do is transition, fade out effect also, but we have a problem, I think. If I click play, it will go again fade in, but we want to fade out. Okay, now click on the effect, right click on it, properties, and change, for example, on the start to be brightness to be 0, and on the end include brightness to be 1. And now let's check it out. If I click play, we have a nice fade out effect for our title text. And this is it. Drop some likes and comments below if you find this helpful, and have a nice day. Bye bye.